Did you know that Bolt drivers in South Africa can earn more than traditional jobs, sometimes making up to 200 Rand per hour during peak times? Yeah, you heard that right. With the rise of gig economy platforms, driving for Bolt might just be your ticket to financial freedom. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can make serious bank as a Bolt driver right here in South Africa. With the popularity of ride-hailing services skyrocketing, many are turning to driving as a reliable source of income. So, if you're considering joining the ranks of Bolt drivers, stick around because we've got some valuable tips just for you. Now, let's get real for a minute. Driving for Bolt can be a fantastic opportunity, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One of the biggest challenges you might face is the fluctuation in earnings. Some days you could be raking in the cash, while other days, not so much. It all depends on demand, and that can be frustrating. Plus, there's competition out there. With more drivers joining the platform, it might feel like you're fighting for the same rides. And let's not forget about the costs. Fuel, maintenance, and even those pesky service fees can eat into your profits if you're not careful. So, it's essential to be prepared for these ups and downs as you embark on your Bolt driving journey. Alright, let's get into the meat of it. How can you maximize your earnings as a Bolt driver? First off, timing is everything. Try to drive during peak hours, think early mornings and late evenings when people are commuting or going out. Trust me, that's when surge pricing kicks in, and you can earn more for each ride. Another tip is to familiarize yourself with the areas that have high demand. The more you know your city, the better you can position yourself for those busy spots. And here's a little secret, maintaining high ratings is crucial. The higher your rating, the more likely you are to get ride requests. So, always be friendly, keep your car clean, and provide a smooth ride. These little things can make a big difference in your earnings. Let's take a moment to get inspired. Meet Thandi, a top-earning Bolt driver who turned her side hustle into a full-time gig. Thandi started driving just to make some extra cash, but she quickly realized the potential. By following the strategies we just discussed, timing her drives and keeping her ratings high, she was able to increase her income significantly. In fact, she now averages 1,500 Rand a week. Thandi's story is proof that with the right approach, driving for Bolt can lead to real financial success. So, if she can do it, so can you. To wrap things up, if you're looking to make bank as a Bolt driver in South Africa, remember these key strategies: drive during peak times, know your city, and keep your ratings up. With a bit of dedication and smart planning, you could find yourself on the path to financial independence. So, go out there and start hustling. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried driving for Bolt? What are your experiences? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.